In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your linked bank details and PayPal direct deposit information in the PayPal iPhone app. Whether you want to confirm the bank you've linked for transfers or you need routing and account numbers for direct deposit, I'll show you exactly where to find each, what you'll see on screen, and why certain details are limited for your security. Start by opening the PayPal app on your iPhone and make sure you're signed in. Once you're in, look to the bottom right and tap Wallet. Think of Wallet as your hub for everything money related in the app. Your balances, linked cards, and connected bank accounts all live here. If you want to view information about a linked bank account, select that bank from the list. On the details screen, PayPal will display the bank name and only the last 4 digits of the account number. This is intentional. For security reasons, the full bank account number is never shown in the app. That means you won't be able to reveal or copy the full number from PayPal, and that's by design to protect your financial information. Use the bank's name and the last 4 digits to confirm you're looking at the right account. If you ever need the full account number, you'll want to check your bank's official app or statement, not PayPal. Now, if you're looking for a PayPal bank account number specifically for direct deposit, go back to Wallet and tap PayPal Balance. Then tap Direct Deposit. Here, if available for your account, you'll see a routing number and an account number. These are the details you can provide to an employer or benefits provider to deposit money directly into your PayPal balance. Keep in mind, these numbers are assigned for direct deposit purposes and are different from any external bank account you've linked. Treat them like any sensitive financial information and share them only with trusted sources. If you don't see PayPal Balance or the direct deposit option, that simply means a PayPal bank account number is not available for your account right now. Availability can vary by region and account type. In that case, there's nothing further to find in the app and you can continue using your linked bank for transfers as usual. To recap, open the PayPal app and go to Wallet. Tap your bank to confirm details. You'll see only the last 4 digits, never the full account number. For direct deposit information, tap PayPal Balance and then Direct Deposit to view your routing and account numbers when available. That's all you need to confidently find the right details in the PayPal iPhone app.